A half step it is the smallest distance between the notes. For example, C to C sharp, E to F, and B to C. It can also be called a semitone, while a whole step is two half steps, for example C to D. It can be called a tone. The formula is for a whole tone scale is whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step, whole step. Let's build an example scale. C, D, E is a whole step. E to F is a half step. In order to fit the pattern of only whole steps, we need to raise the F to an F sharp. This is the same concept for G sharp, A sharp, and the C whole tone scale is C, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. Here's how it sounds.